give you your cards. And we also have a couple of other awards. We'll let you get your cards first.
Sammy, smile.
Andreas Jordan. Where are you, Andreas? Andreas. What kind of, let me see your card. Wow. You used a lot of color, didn't you? Okay, well guess what? You won the most colorful car award. Where's Gavin Malatesta? Gavin, what kind of car is this?
Texaco car.
Texaco rocket car. And Gavin, you've won the most likely to explode award. Way to go, fellas. What I want you to do is stay up here for pictures. If you can push in a little bit together. We're going to do some more pictures.
Good job, Sean. Good job.
Smile and look at your parents. Smile and look at your parents.
Good job. Good job, buddy.
Okay.